Hi, this is Vanessa with Heal Body Mind, and I'm here to show you about my trip to the farmer's market. So today I went to the farmer's market, and I just want to show you all the delicious foods that I got. These are all local. They came from a handful of miles away. So these awesome carrots, aren't they cool? Let's see, what else? What other goodies do we have? I got some red kale, fresh and local. Picked about 2 or 3 days ago, max, as opposed to 10 days ago to 14 days ago, which is normally the average. Let's see what else I got here. So I have 3 kinds of herbs, because herbs are really great in salads or smoothies. They have great healing properties. Dill, cilantro, I'm sorry, that's parsley, and I do have cilantro as well, cilantro. I tend to use a lot of cilantro and parsley because they're very huge detoxifiers and chelators. Also have kohlrabi, which a lot of people have not heard of, and you can actually eat the leaves off of this or any other type of root vegetable. Or anything. But really, the only thing I think I don't eat is the tops of carrots. So you can eat these leaves, kohlrabi. These are really yummy raw. You can just chop them up, drizzle a little bit of olive oil, and put some salt on them, and they're amazing. Let's see what else I got. I got 2 oranges. Some turnips. Again, these turnips, you can eat the leaves off the top. And cauliflower. I may make some mashed cauliflower for the holidays. And spaghetti squash. This is a great substitute for pasta. You can cook this very fast, just steaming it over the stovetop, and you get these amazing little noodles and use that instead of pasta. And then I got 2 sweet potatoes, which will also be great for holiday season. Christmas and Thanksgiving are always great times to make some sweet potatoes. And one of my favorites, watermelon radish. I'm going to cut one of these open for you real quick, although you'll probably see them a lot with me if you tune into my channel much. I love these. Look how beautiful they are. I absolutely love these. My cat does too. Kitty, you going to say hi? So that's about it. I just wanted to show you guys the wide assortment. I mean, it's not everything you need. I definitely go to the grocery store to you get celery and green apples and a few supplementary produce. I get more greens. I hope this video inspires you to check out your local farmer's market and buy more nutrient-dense food, fresh, while also supporting your local farmers, keeping them in business and keeping us healthier. Thank you for chiming in today. So excited to eat these veggies. If you like this video, please click below and or subscribe to our channel. Thanks.